What is the fine for a no seatbelt ticket in Ontario? Charges for no seatbelts are found under the Highway Traffic Act, specifically Section 106. There are two ways that you would see a charge such as this. You would either have a ticket or you would be summoned by a police officer. If you received a ticket from a police officer, you will see a fine on the ticket of $200 plus victim fine surcharge. If you receive a summons, you will not see any such fine on there. You will simply be commanded to attend court. When in court, they have the ability to fine you up to $1,000 plus victim fine surcharge.